Hi, my name is Ryan. I'm from Canada. Just spent a night at the Forster Palms Motel in Forster, in New South Wales. The motel's got all the basic necessities. It's got air conditioners in the rooms, different size rooms for what you're looking for. Uh, they have TVs in the room, and they do have cable TV and pay-per-view options. They've got a small pool and a barbecue. It's hooked up to propane also. If you're coming from either Canada or the States and you call it a propane tank, they won't know what you're talking about. It's called a gas bottle. So if it needs to be refilled, don't say propane tank, because they'll look at you like you have three heads. It's called a gas bottle. Just a little tidbit of info for you. It's a decent location. It's within walking distance. It's right beside a bowling alley and a lawn bowling park. It's within walking distance to a bunch of different beaches, and it's within walking distance to all the basic necessities like different restaurants, grocery store, as well as a little port area, which I'm on right now, that's got different places where you can rent jet skis, paddle boats, paddle boards, canoes, kayaks, and cruises. And we just went on a cruise today called Free Spirit Cruises. So it's within walking distance to all these different places.